I'm going to show you how to work with a variable. So what is a variable? A variable is something that will hold a value. So if I look at my name is John, my name is the variable name is my name, and the value of name is John. So this equals is what I call an assignment operator. It assigns the value John to the variable my name. This assignment operator will take what is on the right of the operator and put what is on the right of the operator into the variable that's on the left of the operator. That is what my assignment will do. So I just want to show you, can you see I've got my name is John, so the single quotes or double quotes are interchangeable, you can use either. Here I actually access the value of John. If I want to see what is the value kept or stored in the variable my name, then I just say print my name, and it will print what the value of it won't print the word my name, it will print John. Here I'm actually changing the value of my name. I'm saying now I don't want the name John anymore, I want the name Peter. So Peter is assigned by the assignment operator to the variable my name. So the value of John is overwritten with the value Peter. And when I print, it's going to show me Peter. Okay, so let's run this code. I click on this green button to run it. Okay, and when I run, I'm going to see John, and then I'm going to see Peter. You see there's John and Peter. Okay, let me just run it again. So John and Peter. And that is how I work with a variable.